Unwind with Herbal Teas, Top 10 Homemade Recipes to Enhance Your Well-Being. Let's embark on a journey, a quest to discover the soothing world of herbal teas. Today, we'll unearth 10 invigorating recipes to brighten your mood and enrich your health. Firstly, the chamomile lavender tea. Known for its calming properties, this combination is a match made in heaven. You'll require 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile and half a tablespoon of dried lavender, steeped in boiling water for 5 minutes. Our next stop is the invigorating peppermint lemon tea. 2 teaspoons of dried peppermint leaves and a slice of fresh lemon make this a zesty delight. Steep for 10 minutes for the flavors to blossom. Recipe 3 is the nettle and raspberry leaf tea. This tea is believed to be beneficial for women's health. Combine 1 tablespoon of each in boiling water and steep for about 10 minutes. Next, we introduce ginger turmeric tea. Renowned for their medicinal benefits, combine 1 teaspoon of each in powdered form and steep in hot water. A hint of honey adds sweetness to this robust tea. Our 5th concoction is the hibiscus rosehip tea. Both ingredients are rich in vitamin C. Use 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus and 1 teaspoon of rosehip. Steep for 5 minutes. The lemon balm and rosemary tea is our 6th brew. These herbs are known to promote good memory and concentration. Use 1 teaspoon of each dried herb and let steep for 5-10 minutes. The 7th recipe is a winter favorite, echinacea and elderberry tea known to support immune health. 1 tablespoon of dried echinacea and a teaspoon of elderberries creates this powerful brew. Steep for 15 minutes. Our 8th tea is the dandelion and milk thistle tea. These herbs are believed to promote liver health. Use 1 teaspoon of each dried herb in hot water. Let it steep for 10-15 minutes. The 9th recipe is the cinnamon and clove tea. This warm, comforting tea requires 1 cinnamon stick and 3 cloves. Steep these spices in hot water for 10 minutes. Our final brew is the cardamom and fennel tea. An excellent digestive aid, this requires 3 cardamom pods and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Steep for 10 minutes, strain and enjoy. Remember, the beauty of herbal teas is in their diversity. Feel free to experiment with different combinations, sweetness levels, and temperatures. So let's steep our way to health and happiness 1 cup at a time. Enjoy the calming, therapeutic effects and vibrant flavors of these timeless herbal teas. Isn't it wonderful how nature's gems, when brewed together, can offer such tranquility and nourishment? Remember, every sip is a step towards better health. Tea unites us all in its simplicity. Whether you're a seasoned tea lover or a curious newbie, these homemade herbal brews are sure to enchant you. Enjoy these teas any time of the day. Whether you're starting your day or winding down, there is a perfect tea for every moment. Begin your tea journey, explore these recipes, and discover what suits your taste buds and well-being the best. So draw the curtains, find your favorite spot, and pour yourself a cup of nature's goodness. With each sip, take a moment to unwind, rejuvenate, and to just be. Invite friends over for a tea party, or enjoy a quiet moment alone with your favorite book and a cup of herbal tea. Share your discoveries and favorite combinations with us. We'd love to hear from you. So steep, sip, unwind, repeat. The world of herbal teas is waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Here's to health, peace, and herbal teas. Until next time, remember, every cup of tea is an adventure in itself. Enjoy the journey. Unwind with Herbal Teas, Top 10 Homemade Recipes to Enhance Your Well-Being. Because a cup of tea is a cup of peace.